hard to understand it, it's hard to comprehend when a friend is taken far before his time. Piece it all together, trying to find the words to say. All you know for sure is it ain't right. Now I heard him say a candle that burns twice as bright only lasts half as long. But you better believe it's gonna be alright. Yeah, 'cause only the good die young. As we're drifting through this crazy life, gotta stop and wonder if we're doing it right. Through the good, the bad, the times we share, those cherished memories, my friend, I'll see you again someday. Storm clouds are rolling and the sun is shining down. I know your memory we won't forget. Now there's a piece of his soul inside a song, leaving a lasting mark on all of those he met. And as we're drifting through this crazy life, gotta stop and wonder if we're doing it right. Through the good, the bad, the times we share, those cherished memories, my friend, I'll see you again someday. Someday. Through this crazy life, gotta stop and wonder if we're doing it right. Through the good, the bad, the times we share, those cherished memories, my friend, I'll see you again, my friend, I'll see you again. Oh, Jay, we'll see you again someday. Someday.